Ever watched a movie, saw an actor absolutely crush a scene, and thought, I could do that? But then reality hits. How do you actually go from sitting on your couch to standing in front of a camera, getting paid to do what you love? Today, we are breaking down the complete, step-by-step roadmap to becoming a successful actor from absolute scratch to the absolute peak. Grab a pen, because your journey starts right now. Phase 1 is all about building the engine. You wouldn't try to drive a car without lessons, so don't try to act without training. Talent is great, but technique is what gets you hired. Start local. Join community theater, enroll in acting workshops, or read up on classic techniques like Stanislavski or Meisner. Your body and your voice are your tools. Practice script analysis. Read scripts out loud. Learn how to subtext, which is the art of saying one thing with your mouth while your eyes communicate something completely different. Master the basics at home before you step into the real arena. Once you have the skills, you need the tools to sell yourself. Treat acting like a business, and your toolkit is your product catalog. You need 3 non-negotiables.
1. Professional headshots. Not cell phone selfies. You need professional 8x10 headshots that actually look like you on a good day. 2. An acting resume. Even if it's blank right now, list your physical stats, your training, and any student film or theater credits you have. 3. A show reel. The proof. A 1 to 2 minute video showcasing your best acting clips. No footage yet? Film a couple of high-quality monologues on your phone in front of a clean background.
With your toolkit ready, it's time to hustle. Do not wait for a major studio to call you. Start auditioning for student films at nearby universities, independent short films, and local commercials. These sets are your training ground. They teach you set etiquette, like knowing what action and cut mean in practice, and how to work with a crew. Plus, this is exactly how you gather high-quality footage to upgrade that show reel. Now, you're ready to scale up. To get into the rooms where major television shows and feature films are cast, you usually need a gatekeeper and talent agent. Research reputable agencies, submit your toolkit, and attend industry networking events. Remember, the good agent works on commission. They only get paid when you get paid. This brings us to the highest point of the base ladder, the professional audition. At this level, acting isn't just about the performance, it's about consistency. You will face a lot of numbers before you get a yes. The secret of the world's most successful actors? They treat the audition as the job. They show up, deliver a breathtaking performance, walk out the door, and completely forget about it. When you master the art of letting go, the booking takes care of itself. Becoming a successful actor doesn't happen overnight. It is a marathon built on training, marketing, resilience, and an unshakable love for the craft. No matter where you are starting in the world right now, the stage is waiting for you. If this roadmap helped clear up your path, smash that like button, subscribe for more creator guides, and drop a comment below letting me know, what character archetype are you dying to play? See you in the next video.